This is our second topic of statistics, that is measures of central tendency. So in last class we discussed that measures of central tendency is one of the type of statistic. Again, this measures of central tendency is divided into three types, that is mean, median, mode. So here we need to know that what is measures of central tendency. It is an essential statistical tool that helps us to understand the typical or average value within a data cycle. They provide a single representative value that summarizes the entire distribution of data. So here the types, mean says the mathematical average, median and mode are positional averages, and we'll discuss one by one. Here, mean. Mean is mathematical mean or arithmetic mean, often simply called the mean or average, is a fundamental concept of statistics. Definition of mean is the arithmetic mean is a sum of set of numerical values divided by the number of values in the set. Formula for calculation of mean. Before going to discuss the formula, we need to know that grouped data, ungrouped data, grouped continuous data, and grouped discrete data. So here, when the data is ungrouped, means we are getting data in a very simple form like numbers and all. We'll discuss in that in examples. So for that ungrouped data, the formula will be x bar. Here x bar is nothing but our mean. Mean is equal to summation of x divided by n. So n is number of values in a data set. The second formula, when the data is grouped, and for discrete and continuous we took only one formula. For mode and median, again the formula will change for grouped, discrete and continuous data. So here mean is equal to summation of fx divided by capital N. So here capital N stands for total frequencies and f stands for frequency. We'll discuss one by one after following an example. Here for ungrouped data we took an example, that is problem 1. They have given data like 4, 2, 8, 6, 10. However they may give, if it is possible, then we have to arrange the data according to their ascending or descending order. So here x bar is mean. So for mean, here we have some data, that is after arranging, or else we can do directly for average also. That is the data we have to add it like 2, 4, 6, 8, whatever we are having the information, we have to add it, followed by we need to know the n. What is n here means the numbering, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 values. So here n is 5. These all are like sigma x divided by n is our formula. According to formula we kept the data, and we need to. So after adding all the data, we'll get one number, that is 30. After adding these numericals, we'll get 30 and divided by 5. This final answer will be 6. Here the mean will be, our mean will be 6. So here we are going to discuss the second problem, that is grouped discrete data. So we were having data that is x and f. They'll give both x and f. We need to find fx, and we need to know the formula for grouped discrete data. So our formula is x bar mean. X bar is equal to sigma fx divided by capital N. So here capital N is nothing but number of frequencies. So they have given x, f. We need to calculate the fx. Fx, which is nothing but multiplication of these two factors. We need to put the data, that is 4, 12, 30, 24 and 20. So followed by this we need to add the data. So this will be 80, and we need to calculate this frequency, that is 2, 3. After this will be capital N will be a 15. So according to formula we will keep the data. So sigma fx and sigma fxn, that is 80 divided by 15. We need to divide it. So after dividing we'll get the value, that is 5.3. So 5.3 is our average. Next we'll move on towards the grouped and continuous data. Problem 3, they will give us the height and weight, like continuous data means like 40 to 50 in between any data, 45 to 50 in between any number it may come. So they will give an average. So for this kind of data we need to find average. So according to data we'll keep the information. They have given height. Height will consider it as x or class interval, that is ci. That is 40 to 45, 45 to 50, 50 to 55, 55 to 60, 60 to 65. Followed by weight, we'll take it as frequency. So frequency they have given 5, 4, 16, 10 and 5. So we need to know that the x, we need to take x. From where we have to take? We have to take the middle value of ci, class interval. So that is 40 to 45. The middlemost value is 43, 48, 53, 58 and 63. Then we need to multiply this x with this f, that is f of x. because we have in formula that is x bar, which is nothing but mean is equal to sigma fx divided by capital N. So here fx, we have to multiply this with this. So we'll get 215, 192, 248, 580 and 315. So here n is again number of frequencies. This n, total n is 40. We need to add it, we'll get the value 40. So according to formula, we need to move, that is mean is equal to sigma fx divided by capital N. So here the sigma fx, the total f of x after adding, will get 2153 divided by 40. As usual, we got the value of the number of frequencies, that is 40. After dividing, we'll get the value 53.8, that is our mean. So 53.8, we need to check that is 53.8 where it is communicating in a class interval. Class interval, that is 53.8. So this 53.8 is like, so the middle, our value is 53.8, where this 53.8, which is nothing but 54, where it is meeting in our the value or middle value of class interval, it is meeting 53, it is very less, we can't go for this. 58, which is near to our answer. So here is our value, or else here is our class interval value, that we consider it as average value of our class interval, or else average value of continuous group data. Here we'll finish our mean. Next class will be median. If you need any information, any doubts, comment it down. Thank you.